Welcome to the Fine Layer. Today we'll be printing a bust of Giovanni Andrea Muti, circa 1725, by Bernardino Cometti. We'll be printing this on a CR10 S5. And we'll be using the new art filaments by GRAFT Milk. As you can see, this is their pre-production packaging. I 3D scanned this using the Pixel 4 XL by Google. Using night sight mode, I was able to capture the most amount of detail in the available light. I then exported this to a point cloud and finally a mesh. From there, I opened it in ZBrush. That way I can resculpt most of the details that were lost, as well as redo the hair. There are a lot of overhangs. Little do you know, sculptors in that era also used a form of 3D scanning. They had their apprentices make plaster molds of the model's faces and features. That way they had a great base to start with when working in stone. As you can see, with a 0.8 nozzle, you can retain a lot of detail on the Z-axis. Although the tops aren't as refined, you really don't notice it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. And of course, this is just for a personal print. If I were to make a product, I would want it to have some weight. How would you add weight to a hollow print? When creating any fine art piece or product, you want to choose a material that not only looks beautiful, but also holds value. And I think that's where other filaments fall short. Anyways, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Come check out Giovanni at the Metropolitan Museum here in New York. Also, don't forget to check the links down below. I've included my Cura Profile, as well as where you can find this 3D printer and filament. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'm working on lots of new content and would love to share it with you.